following is a short tutorial for the image creating app Visualize. Begin by going to the App Store and downloading the app for free. When you open the app, you will be presented with this page. These two projects were made by the app creators themselves as guides for using the app. So let's have a look at the first one. When you open the project, it tells you can double tap objects to edit them. But when you start a new project, you have to add those things first. So let's learn how to do that. When you hit the Gallery button, this menu will pop up. My stickers are images you've saved from your camera using the cutout feature, which we will learn how to do in a bit. The rest of these are stickers that are provided by the app. Get Free Stickers prompts you to put in your email address, which I did not do, but I will leave that up to you. Now let's look at the Draw button. When you hit this button, this box will appear. For the Draw feature, you can adjust the pen size and shape, and the color. Draw in the gray checkered area above. When you are finished, hit Done, and your picture will appear in your project. The Text button is very similar to the Draw button. When you click the Text button, this box and keyboard will appear. Click in the gray checkered box to start typing and use the keyboard here. You can change the font and the color, and when you are finished, click Done. Next is the Background button. When you click the Background button, this small menu will appear, and when you click Selection, this menu will appear. You can choose Default, From Camera, or From Album. From Camera and From Album are pictures that you've taken, but when you click Default, this image will appear, and you can select from any of the backgrounds that are provided by the app. When you click Effect, this image will appear, and you can adjust the brightness, contrast, hue, saturation, or add a dark corner or blur effect to your background. Now let's see what the second project shows us. The second project shows us about the cutout and the layer features. When you click the Cutout button, this small menu will appear. You can choose From Camera or From Album to create a cutout, but I will just show you how to do it from the camera, because choosing an image from your album is essentially the same thing. When you click From Camera, your screen will show what your camera sees. Click the white button to take a picture. Then the picture will show up in this box, ready to be made into a cutout. Trace with your finger around the outline of the image. Use these tools to make detailed adjustments. When you are finished, click Save, and your newly created cutout will appear in your project. When you press the Layer button, this menu will appear. Press the padlock on a layer to lock its position in the project. Press the Link button of multiple layers to link them together and move them around the project as one layer. Press and hold the 3-line button on the side and move up and down to adjust a layer's position in the project. Well, that's everything you need to know about the app Visualize. Have fun!